Ever thought about a different way to heat your home and lower your impact on the planet? You can do your bit with an air source heat pump. It's a more environmentally friendly way to heat your home that could help lower your carbon emissions, and you'll be doing your bit for the planet. But how does it work? It's simple. Think of the science of a fridge, but in reverse. The pump takes in heat from the air outside that absorbs into the liquid inside the pump. This liquid moves around and shrinks to increase the temperature that then passes through to the heat exchanger. This provides heating and hot water to your home, and all you need is electricity to run the pump. What happens during the install? It depends on how you heat your home now. A full room-by-room assessment is undertaken to find out what will work for you. We'll take out your old heating system and put in place all the new components you'll need to get started with the brand new air source heat pump. Typically, this will include your pump, as well as a new heat pump compatible hot water cylinder that's correctly sized for how many people live in your home and how you use your hot water. We'll also swap your pipework and radiators to make sure the output is right, but where we can, we'll use your existing ones. We'll design a heating system that's right for you and your home, and we'll let you know what the install will include to make sure you have the right comfort. Once it's all installed, we'll show you how to work your new heating system, and you'll be able to control it using our app or your new thermostat. Change the way you heat your home with an air source heat pump.